the 7 fascinating processes of fire creation. Creating fire involves a chemical process known as combustion. And here's a detailed explanation of how fire is created. 1. Combustible material fuel. Fire needs something to burn, which is known as fuel. This can be a solid, liquid, or gas substance. Common examples include wood, paper, gasoline, or natural gas. 2. Oxygen. Oxygen is a crucial component for combustion. In the air, approximately 21 is oxygen. The oxygen in the air is necessary for the combustion process as it supports the chemical reactions that take place during burning. 3. Heat. Heat is the energy required to initiate and sustain the combustion process. It is usually provided by a heat source such as a match, lighter, or another heat-producing element. The heat initially breaks down the fuel molecules, making for ignition the ignition source, such as a spark or an open flame, introduces enough heat to initiate the combustion reaction. Once the fuel reaches its ignition temperature, it starts to release vapors that can combine with oxygen. 5. Chemical reaction. Combustion is a rapid chemical reaction between the fuel and oxygen. It involves the breaking of chemical bonds in the fuel and the formation of new bonds with oxygen. This process releases energy in the form of heat. 6. Flame formation. As the chemical reaction progresses, it produces visible flames. Flames are the visible, glowing gases released during combustion. The color of the flames can indicate the temperature of the fire and the elements present in the burning material. 7. Sustained reaction. Once ignited, the fire can continue as long as there is a sufficient supply of fuel, oxygen, and heat. This self-sustaining reaction is known as a fire and can propagate as long as the 3 components remain in the right proportions. It's important to note that fire safety practices and precautions are crucial when dealing with open flames or controlled fires to prevent unintended consequences and ensure safety.